Karen, this is your girl trying to roll like a dough.
I'm making food, okay?
Yeah, but this is her rolling a dough. Rolling a dough. Rolling a dough.
I think that's dinner.
Rolling a dough. Kathy, what are you making, a pizza?
Yeah.
Nice. She's Italian. Is this roti canai?
I think you've said that twice now in that video.
Twice.
Twice. How thin is this supposed to be?
No thinner than that.
Okay. Is this thin enough? I was going to say, I think right there. Okay. So can I just put it
to be for 2 or for 1?
Yes.
Okay, now it shouldn't be that big.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Get it up.
Uh-oh. How are you going to pick that up, Vasu?
And then hold on a second, we need to get some of this off. Way too much flour.
Ooh, that looks good. Nice. Nice. Good job, Vasu.
Oh,
Sorry.